Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to fix the error 9414 on Textfree. The reason of this error because you have abused the registration number allowed by the app. Now all you have to do is to find a VPN, activate it, then register. And the best VPN for this is NordVPN. Go ahead to the official NordVPN website and download the app for your device. Install NordVPN and sign in, or create an account if you don't have one. Now, open the NordVPN app and connect to a server outside of your current region like Canada or US. Once connected to the VPN, reopen Textfree app and attempt to register again. Using NordVPN should help you avoid error 9414 by making your IP address and bypassing potential network issues. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.